Hey, Colin, it's Albert here. So we're going to go over this. So I went over the messages between you and the other agents. Um, Looks like they were waiting on you to retest your domains. They were saying that you can go ahead and add the domains. The request required additional assistance. I'm going over your messages as I'm making this video for you as well. So, team handle domain ownership disputes. Not exactly sure. Okay, here, I'm just going to go ahead and test your domains, and if you can clarify anything. So it looks like your domains weren't working. I'm not sure if they're still not working. It looks like you just emailed in a little while ago, but I just wanted to go over this real quick here. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and open this domain there. So it looks like that one's working, and I know. All right, so that matches. And I do know, I did see that on these two, you had your default pages and your error pages set up. So you're good to go there. All right. Let me go back one step here. And I've already tested these out. I just wanted to make sure you saw it. So on our end, you know that they are working. That way you can give me some clarity on what's going on your end. So it does look like these are working as well. Got your domain, your page path. All right, and this one I noticed that you didn't have a default page and error page set up, so I'm not sure if you're just not using that for now. But so let me see here. I can't test this one. I mean, if I go to open this, copy and paste it without a default page selected, it's just going to bring me to your dashboard. All right. And that's because I'm logged in to ClickFunnels. If I was not logged in to a ClickFunnels account and I ran this in a search URL, it would just bring up a ClickFunnels error page, typically an error 500 page. All right. So if you can give me some clarity, if you need further assistance, or if this is all good to go, then let me know. All right. Because it looks like between the conversation, the other agents, and now, let's see, the last response was on Wednesday, so it's been a little while. And then Mark connected with you on Wednesday as well. All right, and today you're saying that your domains do not work. Okay, so as you can see, they are working. Okay, so on your end, if they're not working like they are here in this video, then I would say that you need to clear your browser data. Okay. Now I'll send you a tutorial. You may know how to do that. It's pretty simple. The upper right on the Google window and the vertical dots. You clear your browser data and then clear your temp files on your operating system. It's real quick. It's just where Windows, if you're using Windows OS, it's just where they store junk files. Okay. Typically, if you clear your browser cookies and you're still having the same issue, if you clear the temporary files, it'll clear it completely. Okay. So just let me know if there's something else going on. And again, let's go to your funnels real quick. I'm not sure what funnel you're using. I'll just go over this real quick. So whatever funnel you are using, just make sure, you may know this already. All right, so you do know this, so okay. Let me just double check something real quick here. Let me close these out. So if you're here, this is the one that didn't have a default page. Let me just go here real quick. So this is probably what you're talking about here. Yeah, okay. So this one here, if that's the funnel you're talking about, you haven't set your default page yet. So you need to set your home page to that funnel. All right, if that's the one you're talking about. Otherwise, those other two domains work fine. You have your default page and error page set up. So just go ahead and go to your domains and then select your home page. All right, and you should be good to go. It should work fine. All right, let me know. All right.